In this problem, we are being asked to write all the factors of other numbers. Factors are the numbers that you multiply together to get some other number. And I guess I think of factors as sort of living inside that number. So inside 6, I think of a 2 and a 3 hanging out there just ready to be multiplied into that 6. Or maybe a 1 and a 6 inside that 6 ready to be multiplied. Those would be factors too. And in fact, I just listed all the factors of 6. 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. Those are all the factors of 6. Those are the only numbers, the only whole numbers that can be multiplied together to equal 6. So our job in these problems is to make that complete list of factors for a number. And it might take a little bit of trying just to make sure you've got them all. There's a little rule that will help you though. First of all, you can start just with not 1. So in this problem, we're being asked to list the factors of 9. So 1 is going to be a factor of every single number. And 1 times that number is what the factors are. 1 times 9 is 9. So 1 and 9 are factors. And then what else? Well, is there something we can multiply 2 by? I'm just going to go up from 1 to 2. Well, no, because 9's not an even number, so 2 is not going to be a factor. It's not divisible by 2. So let's go up to 3. Yeah, 3 times 3 is 9, so 3 is a factor. I only have to list that once because it doesn't make, it's not necessary to put 3 comma 3. 3 is a factor. 3 times itself is 9. And actually, the minute that you get a repeated factor, so we got 3 times 3, then you're done. You've listed all the factors. So these are all the factors of 9. Okay. Let's try this with a slightly bigger number so you can see how long it kind of takes to find the factors of something like this. So the factors of 32. So first of all, 1 and 32 are definitely factors. And then I notice that 32 is even, so it's going to be divisible by 2, which means 2 is a factor. So 2, what times 2 is 32? Well, cutting 32 in half, you'd get 16. So 2 and 16 are factors. Okay. And then, let's see, going up to 3, I don't think this is divisible by 3 because, yeah, 3 times 10 would be 30, and then 3 times 11 would be 33, so 32 is not. So 4, this is divisible by 4, and I'm remembering that 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, and then let's try 5. I don't think 5 works because 5 times 6 is 30, and then the next one, 5 times 7 is 35, so that doesn't work. And 6, same thing, 6 times 5 is 30, and then 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35, that doesn't work. 8, well yeah, 8, because 8 times 4, but look, we got 4 and 8 here. So I've just hit that repeated factor, and once you hit that point, you're done. You've listed them all, so we're actually done here. And if I wanted to be neat about this, I could list them all in order 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Your teacher might want you to list them that particular way, but that is how to find the factors of a number.